Well, we just got our family tree wall art in the mail, and I thought I would open it and see what we have. Well, it definitely looks like it's packaged real well. I got it online at thefamilytreegirl.com. She was able to do all of the research for us. So we didn't have to do all the family tree research. She did it for us. It's definitely well packaged. Okay, starting to see it. Okay, that looks beautiful. Oh wow, that is awesome. I love seeing our names on there. That's really cool. I am very impressed. It's definitely ready to hang, and I can't wait to go hang it up. So I would highly recommend getting it from the Family Tree Girl. This is fantastic.